What's up, guys? Kyle here. Just wanted to give this quick video testimonial. Shout out to my guy David Dekel. I am a complete newbie with online business, and I tried some things before in the past, and it wasn't until I tapped in to David's system where I made the first money I've ever made online. I've made over $4,000 with his system as a complete newbie, where David does all the selling and telling for you. I still work a 9 to 5, which is frequently more than a 9 to 5. Got a wife and kids at home, and this system works for me when I can't be, when I'm doing other things, when I'm living my life, spending time with my family, running around to kids' activities at the 9 to 5. This system has brought in commission to me while I'm sitting next to my boss, which is pretty cool. One of the best feelings that you'll ever get is to wake up to money. This system does that. I've woken up to money, which is absolutely fantastic. I made money while I was at my kid's birthday party. Those are things that don't happen unless you have a system that works for you. And when you're making something like 4K, that's big money. So David does all that selling and telling for you. You don't have to lift a finger to do any of that. With this system, all you have to do is just focus on driving traffic to that. And you might think, man, being a newbie, I don't know what the heck to do with that. But David's got you covered. He's got all the training for you. He lets you know exactly what you need to do to make this system work. So if you're a complete newbie, or even if you're not, and you want a system that works for you when you're living your life doing other things, this is the one.